Skydiving. Presentation brought to you by Jack Rice, Jake Woods, Tyler Keene, and Justin Lee. Objects that free fall through Earth's atmosphere experience two external forces in the time that they spend in the air: gravitational force and aerodynamic drag. In a vacuum, gravitational force would be the only external force impacting an object's free fall. However, Earth's atmosphere is aerodynamic drag to oppose this force. As a free-falling body accelerates through the atmosphere, so do velocity and drag. Once drag equals gravitational force, terminal velocity is reached. Terminal velocity is the maximum velocity an object can travel through Earth's atmosphere, and once it is reached, the object falls at constant velocity.
The givens were the skydiver has a mass of 100 kilograms, an initial altitude of 3,800 meters, an initial velocity of 0 meters per second, a time of free fall of 40 seconds, and a parachute diameter of 10 meters. The goal was to see if and when the skydiver reaches terminal velocity. We also needed to see what altitude that the parachute opened and how it was opened.
We wrote a program in order to calculate the velocities and altitude as a function of time. When writing this, we took into account both air resistance before and after the parachute opened and the fail-safe mechanism altitude.
Once the desired numbers were entered into the program, the result was the skydiver manually opened the parachute at a height of 1,412 meters, using a time increment of 0.2 seconds. Terminal velocity, while the parachute was closed, was reached after 18 seconds of freefall. The velocity of the skydiver initially starts at 0 and then increases until reaching terminal velocity. Once the parachute opens, the velocity instantly slows to 3.778 meters per second. The decreasing altitude of the skydiver can easily be tracked by Figure 1, and the velocity of the skydiver is represented in Figure 2. The entire fall of the skydiver was easily tracked, and the trends displayed on the figures above accurately reflect the path of a skydiver jumping from 3,800 meters and then opening the parachute after 40 seconds. In a jump, there are many environmental factors that could interfere with the path of the skydiver. To more accurately find the path traveled, environmental factors such as wind should be calculated by having an input option like weather to predict atmospheric pressure on a certain day. Also, smaller increments would also help to track the diver with greater accuracy.
The end.